Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we're going to be presenting the unbelievable modern automatic cow farming machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing automatic cow farming machine. At number 1, the first marvel on our list is the hoof trimming machines. These machines are essential tools in the livestock industry for maintaining the health and well-being of cows. The machines are designed to streamline the hoof trimming process, making it faster and more efficient for both the animals and the farmers. In addition to adjustable blades, it also offers variable speed control, allowing farmers to adjust the trimming process to suit the needs of each animal. This level of customization is crucial for ensuring a comfortable and stress-free experience for the animals during hoof trimming. The ergonomic design further enhances the user experience, making it easier for farmers to operate the machine for extended periods without fatigue. Automated cow bedding dispensers are innovative machines utilized in dairy cow barns to streamline the distribution of fresh bedding material, such as sawdust or straw. These dispensers have various features to enhance their functionality and ease of use. They are designed to be user-friendly, with easy refill and cleaning processes to minimize downtime and maintenance requirements. They can handle different types and sizes of bedding material, giving farmers flexibility in their choice of bedding. On top of this, sensors are often incorporated into the dispensers to prevent overfilling or clogging, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Maintaining a clean and dry bedding area reduces the risk of health issues such as mastitis, ultimately leading to healthier and more productive dairy cows. At number 3, it's the Tailwell Power Tail Trimmer, a versatile tool designed for efficiently trimming cow tails. This battery-powered trimmer offers the convenience of cordless operation, allowing for easy maneuverability and flexibility during use. The ergonomic design makes the Tailwell Power Tail Trimmer comfortable to hold and operate, reducing strain and fatigue during extended grooming sessions. The safety guard in the trimmer helps prevent accidental cuts or injuries, providing added peace of mind for the user and the animal being groomed. Additionally, the lightweight construction of the trimmer makes it easy to handle and control, enhancing overall user experience and efficiency. Subscribe now to witness the forefront of farming innovation. Stay ahead with our channel's exclusive insights into modern automatic cow milking machines and more. Cow Spray Race is a specialized piece of equipment designed to effectively apply insecticides or acaricides to cows safely and efficiently. This innovative tool consists of a long, narrow, tunnel-like structure that is equipped with spray nozzles strategically placed to drench cows as they walk through it. The spray nozzles deliver the necessary chemicals to control pests and parasites on the cows' bodies, ensuring their health and well-being. One of the key benefits of the Cow Spray Race is its ability to provide a stress-free experience for the cows. By allowing them to walk through the structure at their own pace, without the need for manual application of chemicals, the process is less intrusive and more comfortable for the animals. This not only reduces the stress levels of the cows, but also minimizes the risk of injury or resistance to treatment. Furthermore, the Cow Spray Race offers a convenient and effective method for parasite control on the farm. By ensuring that all cows are properly treated and protected from harmful pests and parasites, the equipment helps to improve overall cow welfare and health. This, in turn, leads to a reduction in the risk of disease transmission among the herd, ultimately contributing to higher productivity and profitability for the farm. Animal tracking systems are vital for monitoring cow health and behavior on the farms. These systems use RFID technology to track individual cows, recording feeding patterns, activity levels, and reproductive cycles. By analyzing this data, farmers can detect early signs of illness or distress, enabling timely action. These systems also aid in tasks like estrus detection, pregnancy diagnosis, and calving prediction, optimizing breeding programs and improving reproductive efficiency. Calf hutches are essential structures used to provide shelter and protection for young calves. These individual shelters are typically made of durable materials, such as polyethylene or fiberglass, ensuring they can withstand various weather conditions and provide a safe environment for the calves. The construction of calf hutches often includes smooth surfaces and removable panels, making them easy to clean and maintain for optimal hygiene. Moreover, to promote further cleanliness and sanitation, calf hutches are also designed with elevated floors to keep the calves dry and prevent them from coming into contact with waste or moisture. This helps reduce the risk of disease and promotes overall calf health. Robotic milking machines, also known as automatic milking systems, have revolutionized the dairy farming industry by automating the milking process for cows. These machines offer a wide range of advanced features and specifications that make them efficient, reliable, and user-friendly. One of the most beneficial features of robotic milking machines is their automated teat cleaning and attachment system. The machine uses sensors to locate and clean the cow's teats before attaching the milking cups. This helps ensure proper hygiene and reduces the risk of contamination during the milking process. Individual cow identification and monitoring is another important feature of robotic milking machines. Each cow is equipped with a unique transponder that allows the machine to identify and track her milk yield, milking frequency, and other data. This information is stored and analyzed to optimize the milking process and monitor the health and productivity of each cow. Robotic milking machines feature automatic udder health monitoring using sensors to detect issues like mastitis early, ensuring cow well-being. They also have a self-cleaning system for hygiene, automatically sanitizing components after the milking process to reduce contamination risks. The cow head holder is an essential tool in the agricultural industry. It's designed to securely hold the head of a cow in place during various procedures, such as milking, grooming, or medical treatments. This device is crucial for ensuring the safety of both the cow and the operator, as it prevents the animal from moving or escaping during necessary tasks. Cow head holders have adjustable height and width, allowing it to accommodate different sizes of cows. This versatility ensures that the device can be used with various breeds and ages of cattle, making it a practical and adaptable tool for farmers and ranchers. A secure locking mechanism is essential for a cow head holder to prevent the cow from escaping or causing injury to itself or the operator. This feature provides peace of mind for the user and ensures that the cow remains in a controlled position throughout the procedure. Electric cow brushes are innovative devices that play a crucial role in dairy farming, promoting the well-being and comfort of cows. These brushes are designed to mimic the natural grooming behavior of cows, allowing them to scratch themselves and remove dirt, loose hair, and parasites from their skin. The rotating brush of electric cow brushes provides a gentle massage to the cows, which not only helps in keeping their skin clean and healthy, but also improves blood circulation and reduced stress levels. Installing electric cow brushes is typically a straightforward process, with most models designed for easy setup in a barn or milking parlor. Farmers can easily mount the brush in a location that is accessible to the cows, ensuring that they can use it whenever they desire. Some electric cow brushes also come equipped with safety features, such as sensors that automatically stop the brush from rotating if a cow gets stuck or trapped. This helps to prevent any potential injuries to the cows while using the brush. And capping off our list with robotic barn cleaners, which are revolutionizing the way livestock barns are maintained and cleaned. These automatic machines are equipped with advanced technology and features to ensure efficient and effective cleaning processes. One of the crucial features of robotic barn cleaners is their self-navigating capabilities. These machines are equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate through the barn autonomously, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough cleaning of all areas. Robotic barn cleaners are also equipped with a waste removal system that collects and disposes of manure and other waste materials. This helps to maintain a clean and healthy environment for the cows, reducing the risk of disease and improving overall animal welfare. And lastly, these machines are battery-powered, allowing for continuous operation without the need for external power sources. As we conclude our journey through the realm of modern automatic cow farming machines, it's evident that we've witnessed a revolution in dairy farming. These marvels of technology have redefined efficiency, precision, and animal welfare in the milking process. We hope you've been inspired by the ingenuity and innovation on display. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon for more captivating explorations into the future of agriculture. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the incredible possibilities that lie ahead.